What's going on, you guys? Dollar Bill signing on with another food review. What's this? Oh, it looks like a piece of pizza, right? Yes, it is a piece of pizza, but where's it from? See, we could zoom right over here. Oh, there it is right there. Right? All right, so it was Pascal's, but it's in Chuck E. Cheese's. Now, I did a little short on the pizza, saying it was still good. Now, I've heard rumors about that it was recycled pizza, but looking at the pizza looks good, and although it's been sitting, but it still looks fresh. I mean, a little wet, but I mean, it's not like... We had the pizza before, as y'all seen on YouTube, so with the pizza, this is pepperoni, right here, the mozzarella cheese, and they baked this. Let's see right under here. Came out of the oven. Wait, am I looking at this pizza? It look different here? That's probably just cheese under it. So, this pizza is basically the same as it tasted back over the years, as long as I was old enough to remember going to Chuck E. Cheese's. And Chuck E. Cheese's was a fun place. They had breadsticks. Now they got wings and fries. But the pizza still tastes the same. We used to go to Chuck E. Cheese, eat pizza, ride those little, those little kiddie rides, that little play games that we always used to play over there. So, pizza right here, there's a red sauce under it. Pizza looks cooked good. I don't see anything else wrong with it. It's just a delivery pizza, but it's still good because we've eaten this. We've had it delivered, as y'all seen in my short. So, much to say, they put this in the oven, not recycled. They did not recycle this, as they said it was using ingredients, so it's not recycled, doesn't look recycled. Everything looks just the way it is. So it would look different, but it doesn't look anything wrong, although the pizza is kind of split a little bit right here, but I grabbed it, so. All right, so there's a crust, and it's thin. Forgot to mention that it's thin crust. I don't really remember having thin crust from Chuck E. Cheese's. So, without further ado, just a little review on the pizza. My family seems to like it. All right, without further ado, here we go. Pizza still tastes the same. It's still good. And if it wasn't so good or recycled or disgusting, I would be choking. But since I didn't choke, it's fine. And one more time to prove it. You could taste that burnt pepperoni. Well, not burnt, but that burnt, crispy taste of pepperoni. All right, well, I would give this a thumbs up to say, well, Chuck E. Cheese's was a real great place where I grew up at, and I will say this pizza is really good as a review from me to them. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. We'll see y'all in the next one. Look for more videos. Doing more. They'll be coming. Haven't been doing videos lately because haven't been able to, but now I'm back. So, look for more videos. See y'all on the next one. Dollar Bill signing off. Peace.